Hello everyone, welcomes you all. In this video, I am going to teach you what is use of can. Can shows your capacity. Capacity that means क्षमता. Can आपकी कैपेसिटी यानी क्षमता को दर्शाता है कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Always remember, when you are sure 100%, yes, I can do this thing, yes, I'm sure 100% I can do that thing, then you have to use can. For examples, I can do this thing, I can go there, I can visit, I can call, I can run, I can walk, I can talk, I can teach, I can take, I can provide, I can disturb, I can compromise. And now, आइए कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आपकी कैपेसिटी के अनुसार लेते हैं. That means you can do it, you can teach me, you can call her, you can write an application, you can disturb us, you can focus, you can walk, you can talk, you can run. And now some examples for he and she. Yes, I'm sure 100% she can go, she can teach me, she can send a message, she can call me, he can visit your place, he can teach me, he can ride this bike, he can call me, he can adjust, he can compromise, he can understand, he can drive a car. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this.